network definition, network in a sentence, network pronunciation, network meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of network. 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 Network as a noun means a group of interconnected people or things. Common usages in academic writing: a computer network, a street network, a network of tunnels, a rail network, a distribution network, a supplier network, commercial networks. Example sentences: network, noun. The computer network crashed in northern Canada when the largest solar storm in a century hit the Earth. Example sentence number 2. The street network follows the contours of the creek and the adjacent hillside. Example sentence number 3. First, it would be possible to build models of very large systems by linking individual submodels into distributed model networks on the internet. Please write a sentence using network in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of network, the meaning of network, and network example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.